Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to change language on Netflix to your phone. So first, you need to tap Netflix. And then log in to your account. In here, tap your profile at the upper right corner. And then tap Manage Profiles. Choose your profile. And in here, you can now see the option of your profile. Now tap Audio and Subtitle Languages to change the language of your Netflix. So that's how to change language on Netflix. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.